Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is the Greerco 1L laboratory homogenizing mixer. We have it in this little glass vessel so you can get a good look at it. That's the homogenizing head. It does have the umbrella deflector, which is operated here on this arm. You loosen it up and move it up and down, and it helps control flow into the homogenizing head. Unique feature that they have. And of course the adjustable deflector is right here. You can drop that down a little bit. It should loosen up a little more. And that'll control the flow of material through the head. This also operates on variable speed. Has a small variable transformer right here. We're going to turn this up here right now. The homogenizer is driven by a Baldor motor at 7,500 RPM. Splashing a little bit, it's full speed as you can see. Has an adjustable stand, of course, which is spring loaded, allows you to lift the motor up and down easily. Has an independent control right here. Turn the unit off right there if you like. And then also is controlled from the AC or the variable speed transformer right here. Usually change your speed. We have lots of homogenizers in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. Unless of course you're already here. Thanks for visiting. We look forward to hearing from you.